Hello, everyone. This is Jim Krasinski with your week 15 screencast video. So, as I say here, I hope you all had a good Thanksgiving. We're moving into the last 2 weeks of the semester. Please pay attention to the due dates and review all the videos, my weekly screencasts, lecture videos, and any additional instructional videos that I have posted in Canvas here. So, our week 15 schedule goes as follows. Tuesday, end of day. First draft of the cover letter, which is Essay 4, and your peer report is due. Thursday, 2 peer reviews are due, and then Sunday, end of day, will be the cover letter assignment, final draft of Essay 4. So, if you have any questions or issues, be sure to email me during the week about the cover letter. We've been working on the revisions. If you have some significant writing in discussion board, I think it was 16 about revision, your dual post. That'll give you a good start for the cover letter, Essay 4. If you've been working on your revision plans and itemizing out your specific areas for the two essays you have chosen to revise for the e-portfolio, that should help you write the second half of the cover letter. So I will have everything posted up. I should say I should have the peer report posted to the um, SA4 folder sometime in the next day or two. So one thing I do want to point out, and I think there was a little bit of confusion here, is the Google Drive instructions. A lot of people uploaded copies of the revision plan number 1, and I did not have access to your document. So you might want to check with, you might want to check the grading section in Canvas. Also, for my comments, be sure that you create your folder in the SA4 folder, and that those revision plans are in the folder. Those GDoc plans are in there, so they are public and I can access them. Many of the submissions for the revision plan number 1 were not in a folder. I could not access them to look. Very few folders, as a matter of fact, come like Tuesday and Wednesday, were actually created in the SA4 folder. So please review the Google Drive instructions for SA4. Make sure your folders are there so I have access to all these documents. As I mentioned, this is drafting week. Same procedures that we have had for the last 3 essays will be happening this week. So just to take a look at the module, I want to get to the e-portfolio, which is our next project. I'm not going to spend a lot of time talking about the e-portfolio today. It will be the topic for this week's lecture video that I'll post out like about Wednesday or Thursday. Basically, all the documents that are in your SA4 folder, your Drive folder, will be included in the e-portfolio. I have here a special edition video that I produced in the spring of this year once we all went on lockdown. It'll give you the information, the basic information, how to create a portfolio using Google Sites. Also, I have an example of an e-portfolio here that you can click on the link. It'll give you just an idea of the assignment. It was a different assignment. I didn't require the revision plans in the spring, so they're missing from this. And I say here, please note, the portfolio may differ from your assignment. Always follow the current instructions, which are the cover letter, the 2 revised and proofed essays, the revision plans, and a short reflection, as I indicate here in the instructions. So please take a quick read through, look at some of the videos and examples for the e-portfolio. I just want to make sure everybody gets just a familiarity with the assignment before the lecture video comes in later in the week. So things are going to move relatively quickly here. Week 15 really sets up well if you can make sure that you get your draft and your peer reports and peer reviews in. There is very little time to make up any assignments as we move forward into next week, week 16. All right. As always, if you have any questions or issues, send me an email. Good luck.